The science of the ancestors. Long before labs and degrees, our elders studied the stars, the soil, the spirit, and they passed that wisdom down in whispers, rituals, and roots. Even when the Western system mocked it, outlawed it, and called it superstition, it survived. Because truth doesn't need approval, it just needs to be remembered, and that's exactly what we're doing.
And I deal with the ancient, like, watch it now. See all this? I want great herb, this, you know. And the herb, this herbs I know the man them call rice herbs, not rice bitters, you know. Rice herbs. You see if you have one thing with them called grownage.
Grownage in it too?
Yes, them call it one other name beside grownage, you know. What them call it?
Fungus?
Yeah, one they can little name for it, man. I don't remember what they call it, like, you know, I don't remember the name there. Yeah, man, the herbs are for it, man. If you even have one cold in your throat, yeah, man, the herbs are one top herbs, man. Rice herbs.
Rice.
All right.
Yeah, man,
Different from the rice bitters.
Yeah, different from the rice bitters. Ancient herbs, man. You see all the one, you know? No matter what the baby wants sick, you know, man, all you need to do now is make some bath, you know. Wild balm this, you know. Even the ancient one, them in the rasta. But I tell you, you know, you just boil some water, put it in it, cover it up, give it one little moment, and then you use it and wash yourself. But great things, man.